We've finished this one in Wakefield. It turned out it ended up just being 6 metres, slightly less than 3. But what was here before was an old brick garage that we demolished. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to let you have a look at it beforehand, and then you can see what we had to work with. The customer's got a brick-built garage. It's less than 6 metres and it's less than 3 metres wide as well. It's got a concrete tile roof on, so there's no room with asbestos there. What we'll probably do, we'll probably strip off the roof, stack it all on the drive, and then we're going to break down the bricks, and I'm thinking we're going to throw them on Facebook and get somebody to come and take away for free. If not, they'll have to go in the skip, but we'll see how we go with that. So there's the timber supply there. It's just arrived. We are timber from Shire Timber. Jen's going to help unload that as well. If David just has a look here, there's an electrical supply going there to the garage, so John's going to disconnect that. What I'm thinking now is if we look at the level of the floor there, David, and if you can just see the level of the floor there on the path there, so the path is actually higher, so what we may well do is lift this garden room up. We obviously won't use the base. You can see there, look, it's no good at all, that base, so we will be punching holes in that as well. But what we might do, we might lift it up just so that when you walk out the patio you can walk straight into the garden room. So the garage was sort of dug into the paving, so what we did, we cut back the paving and we've extended the garage and brought it forward like I've just shown you in the video. So now you've literally got just a couple inch of a step just to get up into the room. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you around the outside of it first and show you what we've done, and then I'll drop inside and show you as well. So it's fully clad in cedar. It's been hand selected. I've actually been up and selected this myself, and it's been treated with a UV stabiliser. In the soffit there we've got some downlighters. Yeah, we've got plastic, UPVC soffit and fascia. We've also got a security light there, and we've got one round the other side of the corner as well. The doors are aluminium. We only fit aluminium. So if Davey just jumps up here, you can see the situation we had. So the garage was dug into the ground basically. It was on 2 different levels. So what we've done, we've dug it out. I knew I wasn't going to be able to get into treat the cedar there and finish it properly, so we've put some no maintenance cladding and dropped the cedar down to that height, which is a nice little feature I suppose. And we've got an outside socket there and all. We've done away with the normal plastic one. We used the stainless steel one now, so that's a nice little finish on there as well. You can see the gutter there as well, and we've got the metal cladding at the back. You can see I strapped the wall in there as well, because the wall had a little bit of a wobble on, but that's, can you see it there?
A bit, it's too dark.
Yeah, fair enough. I'll drop a photograph in anyway. It's nice and sturdy now, is that wall? It's actually tied into our building, whereas it had a wobble before. So what I'll do, I'll just bring you around to here. We'll talk about this in a minute. So you can see what we were trying to achieve was that this lady, the neighbour, didn't have too much of an impact on her. So what we've done, we kept the side garage wall, which she's seen for years. I took a couple of courses of bricks off, and I put some ties, put another couple of courses back on there, and put a capping on that. So for all intents and purposes now, she has still got the same outlook as what she had before. And I brought the cedar around as far as I can. If you can just stand there, David. As far as I can without going past the fascia there, just to hide that corner a little bit. And we put a little step there because obviously the ground ran down at an angle, so I've had to put a little step into this storeroom. So I don't know if David can just see in here. I know they're going to go mad because they've cleaned the floor. Right, so we've got a consumer unit in here. We've also got a strip light. It's clad in OSB so that they can fix stuff. It's like storage, so they might be fixing stuff to the wall. You can see John's fixed the modem up there as well, obviously, which is connected to the house. We've started doing away with the cedar clad doors. We like these a lot better now. No maintenance either, you know what I mean? That door, it's going to be like that now for as long as this building lasts. So we've got 3 metre aluminium bifold doors on the front as well. If you've got these doors, make sure that your travel door is on its magnet before you open it. Davey fit, what that, Davey? Davey fit these doors, and they've got the 1-finger operation, which is what we always want to achieve. So the customer's going to paint the inside of this themselves. You can see we've fit a laminate floor in the skirting. John's been round the corks and filled it. It's ready for painting now. And they've also got a 2 kilowatt heater there, a range of sockets, and some fire rated stainless steel brush downlighters in the ceiling as well. So that is your 5x3, Derry? 6x3, wasn't it? 6x3 garden room that once where stood a brick built garage. and I think you'll appreciate how well it seamlessly sits into the garden now. So quite a lot of detail and work's gone into this one to get it to sit in the position the way they wanted, but it's a lovely little finish. I love this build. So we have got some places now next year, so if you want to give Siobhan, I'll put a link on this as well, if you want to give Siobhan an email if you're looking to get one of these built and you're in a similar situation like this, or something a little bit different maybe that other people maybe have turned their nose up at, well, maybe we can come and actually sort it out for you. Please like and subscribe. There's a subscribe button down there as well, that'd be great as well if you could do that. And I'll see you on the next one, which is in a place called Denby Dale, and there's some halo lights and LED track lighting going in there, so that might be interesting as well. Thank you.